Okay, I'll give you a life update, no? Parang uso daw yan ngayon. Life update. Um, Ako nga pala si Dr. Abel Manalo, para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin. I am the vetrepreneur. I'm a veterinarian, licensed, but I do not have a clinic. I have my own business, yung Manalo Group of Companies, which under that is Manalo Hotel, Manalo Resort Hotel, Manalo Cafe, Restaurant. Meron po kaming Manalo K9. We supply K9 security to private and government entities here and abroad. We also have SDN, Super Dog Nutrition Dog Food, which we distribute locally from Luzon to Mindanao, and we also are going to export it soon, no, sa Indonesia and other countries. We also have the IAGD, the International Animal Genetics Database, which is an all animal registry. And we also have other products like Super Dog Soap, Super Dog Shampoo, Super Dog Powder, and leashes and collars for heavy duty use. We also have dog training under Manalo K9, etc. So right now I'm headed for my work doon sa Manalo Resort Hotel. It's a 15-hectare facility dito sa Barangay Mahabang Parang, Binangonan, Rizal. And it's very early in the morning, and we are having certain challenges nowadays dahil a couple of days ago, yung road that leads to Mahabang Parang, or the road that leads to our place sa Manalo Resort Hotel, was closed for repair kasi talagang disrepair na talaga siya. The previous owner of our resort, Mr. Pumarada, siya ang nagpagawa nung kalsada na yon more than 10 years ago. So it is now in disrepair. Now the local government decided to help us out and fix the road, kasi nakita nila na yung Manalo Resort Hotel ay operational na, no? It's a very big hotel resort. So it's the pride of the Mahabang Parang community, Binangonan, and we're expecting more and more tourists to arrive, pero nadidismaya sila because of the road. Kaya buti na lang tumulong ang ating butihing barangay captain, si Barangay Captain Rodel Aran, at pinukpok niya talaga yung yung pagpapagawa ng kalsada namin. Ang downside nun ay at least mga 1 month kaming hindi makakadaan dun sa road na yon. So we have an alternate route naman, no, paikot ng bayan ng Binangonan. Imbes na magla-left turn ka if you're coming from Angono, Taytay, Manila, instead of going left, no, after yung munisipyo or before the munisipyo of Binangonan, you go right, and then sa right side may mga signages kaming pinut up. Hanapin nyo lang po sa Waze or Google Maps yung MRF Binangonan. MRF stands for Materials Recovery Facility. Basically basurahan siya, rini-recycle nila yung mga items para magamit ulit. So Waze mo or Google Maps mo yung MRF Binangonan. When you reach there, just go straight, no, dire-diretso na yun sa Manalo Resort Hotel. And we're still open, no? Ito ang challenge namin ngayon. I don't want to close down, kasi pag mag-close down ako, I know I'll be losing some really good people, kasi maghanap syempre ng working mga employees namin kapag mag-shutdown kami more than 1 month. Syempre kailangan din nila ng ikabubuhay ng pamilya nila. So I don't want to lose good people, and alam niyo, na training na namin sila, sobrang napili na namin sila, nawala na yung mga mahirap katrabaho, ang nanatili yung mga magagaling. So I don't want to shut down. Kaso every day, since Monday, problema na namin yung pagpasok ng mga customers namin, kasi nahirapan sila or sanay sila doon sa talagang daanan namin. And yung ngayon, papasok sila doon sa kabila, which is okay din naman. Yun yung dadaanan ko ngayon, wala namang problema. Pero kasi hindi pa sanay yung mga tao. So we've been bombarding our social media pages about this, na meron namang alternate route. Pero nung nandun ako noong Monday, merong 20 people na hindi na tumuloy dahil hindi nila makita or medyo umatras sila dahil yung nakasanayan nilang dadaan ng daan ay sarado nga. Anyway, ipagpipilitan ko pa rin na ituloy, no, yung continuous operation namin sa Manalo Resort Hotel for my people. Ayoko kasi na mawalan sila ng trabaho. Ayoko rin na mawala sila sa amin. So eto, syempre struggling kami doon sa finances because of kasi simula pa lang namin sa Manalo Resort Hotel. All of our extra funds went into this, pati yung aming mga nakapag-loan ako ng malaki para ma-renovate yung buong lugar. And okay naman dahil kumita naman po kami sa first few months ng summer, talagang maganda yung kinita namin. Pero after summer, no, starting mga July, August, ito na August, talagang kakaunti lang yung mga nagpupunta. Siguro dahil pasukan na, at the same time nag-uulan. Ngayon maganda naman yung araw, pero erratic kasi yung yung weather. Tapos ito pa, nag-close down pa yung aming kalsada. So we're thinking of ways of bringing people doon sa resort. And isa rin yung mga may mga events kami. September 8 magkakaroon dyan ng motorcycle show, and October, no, pukpukan na kami sa mga events. We also have a big tent that's going to cover our basketball court para maging concert area namin. Starting October may mga concerts tayo dyan, mga iba-ibang events. So eto lang, bubunuin lang namin itong August at saka September. Sana makatawid kami ng buhay. Ganyan naman ang business, guys, kapag sumugal ka or nag-risk take ka kagaya nito, no, we invested big time dito sa resort na ito with hopes na na makita rin ng mga investors namin na big time po ito. So I'm also waiting for the master plan. I'm waiting for things to take place. So medyo kami waiting kami sa mga ilang mga pangyayari. At the same time, we are also dead set on our plans and strategies. Syempre first year pa lang namin ito, March pa lang kami nag-open, and ngayon August pa lang naman. So we've been open for only April, May, June, July, August. 5 months pa lang kami open sa Manalo Resort Hotel. First 3 months sobrang ganda ng profits. Next 2 months, medyo nagne-negative po kami ngayon, especially since we're paying amortization every month sa land bank para doon sa property, no. Pero okay naman, dahil tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung sales namin sa SDN. Okay pa rin yung mga distributors namin, dumadami yung sales nila. Maganda naman yung yung daloy ngayon ng sales namin ng dog food. Our dog training has reached a new peak, no? More than 50 na ang tinitrain naming mga dogs right now, no? Iba-ibang mga courses yan, and marami kaming home service ngayon, more than 10. Tapos the 40 plus are boarded here dito sa namin, sa aming facility dito sa Manalo Resort Hotel. Iba na sa Makamot pa. Pero this week, ang target namin by tomorrow, matapos na namin yung paglilipat from Makamot to Manalo Resort Hotel Complex. Yung Manalo Resort Hotel Complex nga pala ay baka i-rename namin or i-rebrand namin yan to Manalo City. Kasi sabi ni Sir Richard Hinyola, pagka Manalo Resort Hotel nga naman, parang pwedeng maliit lang na lugar yan, no? Pwedeng 1,000 square meters lang. Pero we have such a big area na talagang bonggang-bongga nga daw. At grabe nga daw yung facilities namin. So Manalo Resort Hotel, the name does not give it dignity or hindi siya sapat na pangalan para i-describe yung meron kaming lugar. So we're going to rename it, rebrand it Manalo City. Kasi Eastwood City is 17 hectares. Our facility is 15 hectares, no? So we are going to do a lot of great things, pero kailangan itawid lang namin itong natitirang bahagi ng August and September. Pero very positive pa rin naman ako, always positive, no? We've been at this for 17 years, going 18 years na. Yun po yung